One more interesting sum of determinant which came in JEE Main 2014. If alpha comma beta not equal to 0 and f of n equal to alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n, and this determinant equal to k into 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square, then what is the value of k? 4 options given below here. Now we have to choose alpha equal to -1 and beta equal to 2. Alpha equal to -1 and beta equal to 2. So this relation becomes 3 1 plus f of 1, alpha equal to -1 to the power n and 2 to the power n. So if we put n equal to 1 here, so we get -1 to the power 1, that is -1, and 2 to the power 1, that is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 plus f of 1 equal to 2. 1 plus f of 2, what is the value of f of 2? If we put n equal to 2 here, -1 square, that is 1, 2 square, that is 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and 1 plus f of 2, that is 1 plus 5, that is 6, and 1 plus f of 1, that is 2, 1 plus f of 2, that is 6, and 1 plus f of 3, that means -1 cube, that is -1, 2 cube, that is 8, 8 minus 1, that is 7, and 1 plus 7, that is 8. Now 1 plus f of 2, 1 plus f of 2, that is 6, 1 plus f of 3, that is 8, and f of 4, 1 plus f of 4, f of 4 means -1 to the power 4, that is 1, and 2 to the power 4, that is 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, equal to k into 1 minus alpha whole square, that is 1, minus 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 square, that is 4, and 1 minus beta square, that is 1 minus 2, that is -1 square, that is 1, and alpha minus beta, that is -1 minus 2 square, that is -3 square, that is 9. Now we have to expand the determinant. 3 into 6 into 18, that is 108 minus 64, minus 2 into 18 into 2, 36, minus 48, plus 6 into 16 minus 36, equal to 36k. 9 into 4, 36. Now 3 into 4, 44, minus 2 into 36 minus 48, that is minus 12, plus 6 into 16 minus 36, that is 20, minus 20, equal to 36k. Now it is implied 132 plus 24 minus 120 equal to 36k. Implies that 132 minus 120, we get 12, 12 plus 24, that is 36, 36 equal to 36k, so k equal to 36 by 36 equal to 1. So C is the right answer. One more interesting sum, conceptual sum of matrix: if determinant of adjugate A less than 0 and order of matrix less than 4, then order of matrix, which of the following 4 options is correct here? Now determinant of adjugate A, adjugate A determinant equal to determinant A to the power n minus 1 whole square. We know this. And determinant A to the power n minus 1 square less than 0, as it is said here, mod of adjugate A less than 0. So determinant A to the power n minus 1 whole square less than 0. And when it is possible, if determinant A, value of the determinant is positive, this inequation is never possible, you know. So value of this determinant A must be negative, that is less than 0. So determinant A less than 0, because if determinant A is greater than 0, that is positive, suppose positive 3 to the power something, positive or negative, never you get a negative value. 3 to the power minus 2 always is a positive value. 3 to the minus 2, that is 1 by 3 square, and 3 to the power 2, it is also positive value. So determinant A can't be positive. Determinant A always be negative here, and determinant A is negative, and power n minus 1 whole square power should be odd. Then this inequation is possible. So determinant A is less than 0 and n minus 1 square is odd. And if you put n equal to 2 here, so you get 2 minus 1, that is 1, 1 square, you get 1, and 1 is odd. If you put n equal to 3, 3 minus 1, that is 2, 2 square, that is 4, 4 is not odd. And already said order matrix less than 4. So you put n equal to 2, and this inequation is true for n equal to 2. Now, which of the following options is correct? Now B is the right answer. A sum of AITP 2009, if determinant of adjugate A equal to 16 and determinant A equal to 2, then what is the order of the matrix? Adjugate of adjugate A, determinant equal to 16, it is given. So determinant of adjugate A equal to determinant A to the power n minus 1 square equal to 16, and determinant A equal to 2 to the power n minus 1 square equal to 16, it is 2 to the power 4. So n minus 1 square equal to 4, so n minus 1 equal to 2 and n equal to 3. So B is the right answer.